Hey there, aspiring entrepreneurs. Today, we're on a treasure hunt. But instead of gold and jewels, we're after something even more valuable. Free resources to fuel your entrepreneurial dreams. So let's set sail. Our first stop is the vast, informative world of websites designed to help entrepreneurs. One of the best is the U.S. Small Business Administration, SBA. The SBA offers a wealth of information on starting and managing a business, securing financing, and more. It's like having a sage business guru at your fingertips, guiding you every step of the way. Our journey then takes us to the enchanting realm of online learning platforms. Coursera and edX host a plethora of courses from top universities worldwide on everything from business basics to the intricacies of venture capital. It's like enrolling at Harvard or Stanford, but without the Ivy League tuition. Next, we navigate the sea of podcasts, a modern-day source of wisdom and inspiration. Tune into shows like How I Built This or The Tim Ferriss Show, where successful entrepreneurs share their journeys, their ups, their downs, and their lessons learned, not to mention subscribing to this channel, where we share free advice every day. It's like getting personal coaching from the best in the business. But the adventure doesn't stop there. Let's chart a course to LinkedIn Learning, where countless free tutorials await. Whether you want to learn about marketing, accounting, or networking, these platforms have you covered. It's like a knowledge buffet, and you're invited to feast. And remember, aspiring entrepreneurs, this treasure trove is available to you for free. No gold coins, no magical beans, just your time and dedication. So equip yourself with these resources and let your entrepreneurial journey begin.